attack things from a perspective of saying, okay, what has happened? What are the things that I can learn here? Reach out to other people, other trading friends, mentors, coaches, whoever, and really try to, just like you would do in any other times, try to pull that information together to try to figure out, okay, if this is truly your business, and you've got to treat it as such, and sometimes things are, you get a hit from the side, which you're not expecting, but it's, okay, how do you react to that? And if you go and take it in a positive mode and saying, okay, what can I learn from this? What other types of systems or trades or things can I do to try to be able to help with my trading? Because as you know, everybody kind of creates their own, even though you put out an M3 system or an X4 system or M21 system, everybody after a while will take it and modify it to what fits them personally to some degree. And so I think just like that for this year, I think that's a telling sign where I think, many people look at it and say, well, gee, this is a challenging year for sure. But it's like, okay, but then what did you do with it? Did you just sit back and crawl into your bed? Or did you actually try to actively figure out, okay, what can I now do? Just like you always say, John, you've got to be nimble. You've got to be nimble. You've got to have the ability to be able to go with the market is going, because no one can predict what's happening tomorrow.